Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to add a contact form in Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com, if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all your options after logging into your account. So log into your account and you'll be greeted by your dashboard, under which we can find all the websites that we own. So you want to open up the website that you want to add the contact forms for. So I'm going to open up the website right here. It's going to open it up in a new tab and you'll be greeted by the main page right here where you can find all the options and sections you can access, such as website, products, invoicing, and so on. And now we can get started with adding our contact form. So guys, the first thing we want to do to be able to add the contact form is to start editing. So we're going to click the edit button right here at the top of the screen. After clicking on the edit button, it's now going to open up this website in edit mode where we can get started with finding what we want to edit. So you can see we can edit the site header, footer, and in the main page we can get started with adding blocks, and this is what we want to use for adding a contact form. So all you have to do is click the add block section right here, and in this new menu that appears you want to use the search option and search for form. So after searching for form guys, this is now going to enable us to add a form to our website. As you can see, this is going to be a contact form where everybody can enter in their first name, last name, email, and so on to get started with contacting you using this option. So you can put it on whatever page you want, maybe a separate contact page, it doesn't matter, you can do whatever you want, but that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.